welcome to my channel and Latvian. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I want to show you how to make my traditional Latvian grey pea soup. Grey peas are always so popular and famous in Latvia. If you ever visit Riga or any other cities in Latvia, you'll be able to try grey peas with bacon or grey pea soup. It's so delicious, and I had several requests about making this. This soup is quite a slow one. It takes a while to cook, but trust me, it's so worth it. I will show you step by step how to make it. And if you don't know where to find grey peas, which should be maybe in some Russian, Lithuanian, Polish stores, then you can use just normal peas, because otherwise you're gonna have to go to Latvia to get the peas. But again, you can use the alternative. The basics are the same. And this soup is so heartwarming, so delicious, so filling, and I love to have it any time of the year, especially winter though. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you're from Latvia, say hi, and yeah, let's get started.
So over here I've got my grey peas. I'm gonna just soak them in hot water and leave them for 12 hours or best overnight, just so they're nice and softened. Now, the next day I'm making my soup. I'm adding some onions into my food processor together with garlic, and we're just going to blitz everything together nice and fine. Again, you can do this by hand on your chopping board. I just love using food processor, it just makes my life so much easier. Then I'm just going to switch the attachments and then grate my carrots straight in there straight away. And I've got the grating option here as well, which just saves you so much time. So here are all my carrots nice and grated. In a large pot, I'm gonna add some butter and a bit of cooking oil. I'm using vegetable oils, but it's completely up to you what oils you want to use. Once it's nice and hot, you want to add your carrots and onion garlic mixture together, and we're just going to fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and softened and it's got that beautiful golden color. Over here I've got some smoked meat. This is some smoked pork, and it's quite a large chunk, so I'm chopping into smaller chunks, and I'm just going to add the whole bit into my soup over there. We're going to fry this for 5 minutes as well, just to release the flavors and the fat. And trust me, the flavors are so good. It smells amazing already in the house. Here I've got my bay leaves and peppercorns. We're going to add that inside our soup and then top it up with some hot water. And then we're going to add our soaked grey peas inside. You want to mix everything together. Then add pearl barley and then mix one more time. This soup is so delicious. It's one of the best soups in Latvia. It's very traditional and amazing. We're gonna cook the soup on slow heat for a long time, maybe an hour or two. It just completely depends on the grey peas and how quickly they will cook. And once it's kind of done, it will change the color. You can see how rich it has become. At the very end, I'm just going to add some chopped parsley. You can use coriander or dill. It's completely up to you. Then you want to take out your pork and you want to place this into a separate bowl. We're going to chop this into smaller pieces and add it back into the soup. These are how all Latvian and Baltic soups are done. We like to cook our meat before and then chop it and put it back. However, nothing's stopping you. If you're using meat on the bone, you can just leave it in there and then everybody kind of gets like a big chunk of meat on the bone. But once it's all chopped, I'm going to add it back into my soup, and we're just going to cook this for another 15 minutes or so. And when it's done, you just serve it, a big handful of your peas and barley and meat. And then of course, don't forget the sour cream too. And here you go guys, enjoy. And I hope you make this.